In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentage format in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a number property in your database and display it as a clean, readable percent. First, head over to Notion.com. If you're not signed in yet, click Login. I'll use the Google option here, then choose my Google account to continue. If you're already logged in, you can skip ahead. Once you're in, go to your home to see your workspace, then open the database where you want to show percentages. This could be anything: tasks, goals, budgets, any table, board, or list view that uses database properties. Inside your database, add a new property by clicking the plus sign next to your existing columns. From the property types, choose Number. This creates a numeric column that will turn into a percentage in a moment. Click into the new number field in any row so you can enter a value. You can type the actual decimal that represents your percentage. For example, if you want 50%, type 0.5. If you want 25%, type 0.25. This matters because Notion interprets the underlying number when you switch formats. If you type 50 and then change it to percent, Notion will read that as 5,000%, which probably isn't what you want. So think in terms of decimals first: 0.1 for 10%, 0.75 for 75%, and so on. Now let's format it. Open the number properties settings by clicking the property header. Find the number format option, then select percent. Instantly, the values in that column will display with a percent sign. The 0.5 you entered becomes 50%, and 0.25 becomes 25%. This is only a visual change. The underlying numbers stay the same, so your calculations and rollups will remain accurate while your database looks much clearer. Take a moment to scan a few rows and confirm everything reads as expected. If you spot a value that looks far too large, it's usually because it was entered as a whole number instead of a decimal before switching formats. Just adjust the entry to its decimal form and it will display correctly. That's it. You went to Notion, signed in, opened your database, added a number property, entered a value, and changed the number format to percent. It's a small tweak that makes progress tracking and reporting much easier to read. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.